Alright, so here I want to make a short video so that way you see. For instance, here I have a QNAP. This is a NAS where I back up all my videos and everything. So
Alert,
as you can see,
remote,
this is the front. But more than that is the paint. The paint that you see here. So for instance,
Alert,
NAS, at least QNAP,
connected.
this is the first brand that I see that they paint where you have the screws. So that way, exactly, for instance here, I have this I painted myself. But inside, the other paint, the other marks that you see here, it came from factory, except this one. The other one, I think they forgot to put one here. But if you have to take things apart and you know where you have the mark, you know where to put the screws. And if you have, for instance, if you're working maybe in a car, a computer, or it doesn't matter, and you have different sizes, what you can do is you can use different colors. For instance, here I have black, blue, white, and I think this one is red and this is white, or maybe these two are white, but I have many colors. So what you can do is, if you have different sizes of screws, you can paint maybe maybe 3 millimeters, blue, 4 millimeters yellow, 6 millimeters green, or whatever. And you do that with everything, and so that way, if you mixed up the screws, it doesn't matter, because the head, if you know it's red, and you have here on the chassis is red, you know where to put every screw. So basically, that is this quick video. It will help you to disassemble or fix things quicker if you have to take so many screws. So hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know, section below. Remember, in my playlist, I have all my classes. They're organized in the playlist. Thank you for watching. See you next time.